Introduction. Electric eels are fascinating creatures that have captured the imagination of scientists and the general public alike for centuries. These aquatic animals are known for their ability to generate powerful electric shocks, which they use to navigate their environment, communicate with each other, and hunt for prey. In this video, we will delve into some of the lesser-known details about electric eels, including their anatomy, behavior, and ecology. Let's know some interesting facts about these. Anatomy. Electric eels have a long, slender body that can reach up to 2.5 meters in length. They are dark gray or brown in color and have a smooth, scaleless skin. Electric eels have a flattened head and a large mouth, which is filled with sharp teeth that they use to capture and kill prey. One of the most distinctive features of electric eels is their electric organs, which are located in their abdomen and can make up as much as 80% of their body mass. These organs are made up of thousands of specialized cells called electrocytes, which are arranged in series to form powerful electric generators. Behavior. Electric eels are solitary animals that are most commonly found in slow-moving freshwater streams and rivers in the Amazon basin. They are capable of living in both oxygen-rich and oxygen-poor waters, and can even breathe air using a specialized organ in their oral cavity. Electric eels are primarily nocturnal hunters, using their electric fields to locate prey in the dark. They are capable of generating electric shocks of up to 600 volts, which they use to stun or kill prey. Once a prey item is immobilized, the electric eel will consume it whole. Ecology. Electric eels play an important role in their freshwater ecosystems, both as predators and prey. They are known to feed on a variety of aquatic animals, including fish, amphibians, and invertebrates. Despite their formidable electric shocks, electric eels are preyed upon by a number of predators, including caimans, birds of prey, and larger fish species. They are also threatened by habitat loss and overfishing, and are listed as a species of conservation concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. In addition to their ecological importance, electric eels have also played a significant role in human culture and science. For centuries, their electric shocks were used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, and their unique anatomy and behavior have been the subject of scientific research for many years. Conclusion. Electric eels are fascinating creatures that have captured the imagination of people around the world for centuries. Their ability to generate powerful electric shocks, their unique anatomy, and their important ecological role make them one of the most intriguing species of fish in the world. As scientists continue to study these animals, we can expect to learn even more about their behavior, ecology, and physiology in the years to come. Fact number 1. Electric eel shocks can be as high as 600 volts, which is enough to cause serious injury or even death to humans. Fact number 2. Electric eels can be trained to use their electrical abilities on command, making them useful in scientific research and as a means of pest control. However, this training requires careful handling and expertise to avoid injury to the eel and the handler. Fact number 3. Electric eels are generally not aggressive towards humans and will only attack if they feel threatened or provoked. Fact number 4. Electric eels are often used in traditional medicine in South America, where their electric shocks are believed to have therapeutic properties. However, there is little scientific evidence to support these claims, and the use of electric eels in traditional medicine has been criticized for its potential to harm both the eels and the people who handle them. Fact number 5. The venom of the electric eel is not dangerous to humans. While the electric eel's electrical shocks can be dangerous, its venom is not. Electric eels have small venom glands located in their lower jaws, but the venom is not toxic to humans and is only used to aid in capturing prey. Fact number 6. Electric eels are not actually eels. They belong to a family of fish called knifefish, Gymnotidae. Fact number 7. Electric eels have poor eyesight and rely on their electrical abilities to navigate and locate prey. They are also able to detect the electrical signals of other animals, which they use to create a mental map of their surroundings. Fact number 8. Electric eels can live for up to 15 years in the wild. Fact number 9. The electric eels has 3 pairs of electric organs that are capable of generating both high and low voltage electric shocks. The high voltage shocks are used to stun prey or defend against predators, while the low voltage shocks are used for communication and navigation. Fact number 10. Electric eels are able to generate electric shocks even when they are out of water. This is because the electric organs in their bodies are able to generate electricity without the need for a conductive medium like water. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you learn new things in this video, then just like the video. Hey guys, next video very interesting, see more. Please subscribe, support me.